The love for our girl, that companion who has been with us for years, living in symbiosis, taking care of and pampering her, a four-wheeled her, let's be clear. We know what this means, spending hours and hours devoted to her, trying to protect her from enemies. But which ones? Friends who think it's okay to eat or drink inside because, I'll be careful, trees, pollen, leaves, and then smog, traffic. Yes, we know we're a bit crazy, but passion is priceless. We are ready to invent any excuse to ease our conscience and your dream, and open up that piggy bank, buy that used model you've yearned for, and fix it up. Because let's be honest, that Alfa Romeo Spider is not just a car, it's your dream car, and now it needs to be taken care of. It needs special attention. And just like all women of a certain age, she knows what it takes to get back her past splendor. Simply cleaning and polishing her is not enough. Your heart pushes you to fix up her very core, down to the tiniest aspect. In a word, car detailing. To get rid of the old and give her new life, new light. Chronos Decarbonizer. You have to eliminate carbon residues which have settled on her over the years. Then the rims must be decontaminated from the brake pad's iron residues with the chemical decontaminant P-Ray. But above all, the body will come back to life thanks to a specific product for eliminating all the impurities left by the city. Dirt, smog, tree resin, the glue of an adhesive, but also the tar we pick up from the road, all enemies that settle onto our car. Beauty care, however, cannot stop here. Simply cleaning her is not enough. You have to correct those marks, from the deepest to the most concentric ones on the surface, the swirls, and then polish its beautiful bodywork to make it shine again. And to protect all this work, to guarantee shine for a long time, you need a nano-ceramic protective treatment like Coating STC, which will keep the surface protected, smooth, and water-repellent for a long time. For a final touch, products like Reflecto can increase the gloss of the surface. And Aqua Velox on the windows and windshield can guarantee maximum water resistance and driving safety even in heavy rains. Is it clear why car detailing is not just a simple cleaning process? It is care, passion, enhancement, and love for detail. It's pampering, a caress. In the end, this is the sign of a deep and visceral passion.